Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how we can create an amazing video from any picture, as you can see on the screen. So originally was just a picture, and now I have a video from the picture. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating this amazing content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I'm going to the other Canva page. As you can see, this is really just a picture. Going to the apps, searching for animate. I need this image animate application, this one, opening it, and as you can see we can make some settings. Motion range I just reduced to 3, motion length, number of loops, and I can choose between AI motion or parallax motion. Now I'm going to generate. It takes a while when it's finishing it, but we'll see the result. Okay, now the video is generated. It literally takes few minutes, 5, sometimes even more. Even during the process mentioning it might take 1-2 minutes. It's normally much more, and time to time I got something went wrong, error message, guessing this is due to the number of the users who try to use the same application, then time to time is not responding. But now it's generated. I can rate the video, go into the second page, add to design. Then we have to wait again a bit. We can see this still generating. Now we have the message. It's successfully uploaded, and now we can see that it's not rolling anymore. And now we can see the result. This is the original picture, and then this is the video that was generated by the AI. I think this looks amazing. Okay, but now it's for covering the whole Canva. I can delete the original picture and just keep the animation, keep the AI generated video. That's really amazed me. This is a fantastic function. I love it now. So this video is going to the end. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.